Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Chrome extensions installed by administrator. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. Find the extension you want to remove. If the Remove button is grayed out, it was installed by administrator. Click the three dots next to the extension and select Remove from Chrome. If it still doesn't work, type Chrome//management in the address bar and press Enter. Click on your organization name and try to turn off the extension there. On a personal computer, go to Windows Settings Devices. Apps, Installed Apps. Search for the extension name or Chrome policy and uninstall it. Then restart Chrome. You can also reset Chrome, go to Chrome Settings, Reset Settings, Restore Settings to their original defaults. After that, go back to Chrome/extensions and remove the extension. That's it. This is how you can remove administrator-installed Chrome extensions easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.